For number 3, you're asked which number is greater, 3.5 times 10 to the 4th power or 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power. Explain how you know. Well, a good rule of thumb is that whichever number has the larger exponent, that number is going to be bigger. So in this case, 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power, this 6 is larger than our exponent of 4, so that would mean that 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power is bigger. Now, if you still don't really understand why that is, there's a couple of methods you could use for figuring this out. So you could start off by converting each number to standard notation. So if you recall, an exponent that is positive means that your number is going to get larger. So for 3.5 times 10 to the 4th power, we'd move our decimal over 1, 2, 3, 4 places and add in your zeros. And if we rewrote this without our decimals, we would have 35,000. That's the same as 3.5 times 10 to the 4th power. Now, if we use the same method of turning 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power into standard notation, we would move our decimal over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places and add in our zeros. And then when we rewrote this number, it would be 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And we'd add in our commas just to make it a little bit easier to look at. And then 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power is the same as 2,100,000. So you can see that this number, 2,100,000, is much bigger than 35,000. So that would mean that 2.1 times 10 to the 6th power is larger than 3.5 times 10 to the 4th power.